All right, I'm back at the cutout. Here's a cute little piece of a QMP noodle. And better be temporary queen. And that's the entrance right there. So I'm gonna leave that for a couple days and see if they'll start, and that'll definitely help me determine whether there is some honeycomb or brood or whatever still in there. Because if they don't go to it, then that means I got to open it up and do more work. So I'm gonna go pop this in. There's a little observation hive that holds a regular frame, brood frame, and then also a medium frame. Like there's a bunch of them up under the window. Those are bees that, if they'll go into this observation hive, I will take them over to where their hive is. Hey, get out of here. They don't like me. Here we go. Probably gonna cause a ruckus. If it fits, it ships. Tight, but it will fit. Let's see if they'll climb up in there. And we'll see if they'll start going in there. I kind of think we got more we got to cut out. I don't know if there's enough light to see. See if any of them have gone in here yet. They should start sniffing that. So we'll see if they'll go in there and start loving on that QMP noodle. On that, where all those bees are, there's a vent hole on the side. It's kind of hard to tell, but they may be migrating down.